Manpreet Kaur and I'm your French trainer. Welcome to our channel Intelligence Technology. In today's class, I'm going to tell you about importance of French language. Why you want to learn French language. All your doubts will get cleared after seeing this video. French is an international language. International language means it is a global language. What's the first global language? First global language is English and second is French. So it is the second most widely spoken language after English. It is also useful in your career options, like you can get a job in MNC company, which is any multinational company, any bilingual job. If you know English and French, you will get a job very easily. Then in any embassy, French embassy, Canadian embassy, and also you can work as a trainer, as a French trainer, and all these jobs has very good high pay rate. It is also useful for immigration purposes, like if you want to go any European country, say Canada or France, you need to know the French language. Canadian government pays $12 per hour to the people to learn French, which makes rupees 684. Can you imagine? Yes, Canadian government pays that. Can you imagine how useful and fascinating this language is? So what are you waiting for? Come to our institute and inquire for the course. Thank you for watching the video till the end. Do not forget to share this video with your lovely friends. Like this channel and subscribe it.